Alright, this is going to be an iPhone video. Because we're already pretty much done. I'm not getting on a better camera right now. So, this is the e-brake assembly. So, no transmission, no engine. Makes it a lot easier, but if there was a transmission here, this is where the slip yoke would slip in. So I guess the only real pain part with this up like this would be where it splits into two from the inside. So the way these style cables are, you got these clips that you just push in. Oh, that's the design, but they don't push in because never. So what you'll need is a chisel and a hammer, and you'll just hammer these in there till they click. This is what I could not find online, is the actual routing of the cable. So you come out of the split to here, and then you go through the unibody right here, out the first hole, back into here, to there, and then to the caliper. And then there's a little retaining C-clip on that. And I'm halfway through this side, which will be the same way. Start there, get to that bracket, run it through here, through there, out the first hole, to the carrier loop, and then to the caliper. And this is the end that goes to the caliper. So do not mix these up. Don't put this towards the front, because then, yeah, it's going to cause problems. But that's it.